Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where Google Chrome is not saving passwords on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. So search for Chrome in the Windows search bar and open Google Chrome. Now click on these three dots at the top right corner and then scroll down and select settings. Search for passwords and then click on this option for Google Password Manager. Okay, and then go to settings. Now there's an option here which says offer to save passwords and passkeys. So if this option was unchecked, then you will encounter this issue that it's not saving passwords. But if it is checked, then you will not be facing this issue. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.